Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So for today's video, you guys, you are not ready. You are not ready for this video. Are you ready? If you're ready, go and hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be waiting. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii. Hello, welcome. Here I will be doing tutorials, I'll be doing reviews, first impressions, a whole lot of fun stuff. So if you're not subscribed, I highly recommend you subscribe. You will not regret it. Also, I am currently doing 5 giveaways, so head over to my Instagram, which I will have right here. For all the details, just head over there. All the details for the giveaway are on my Instagram. Anyways, for today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial slash first impression. So today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on how to get this look, as well as giving you guys my first impression slash review on the new ILUVSARAHII collection. I don't have it all, but I have like the 2 main things, the eyeshadow and the highlight. I'm not even gonna say nothing. You guys just gotta watch the whole video to find out. So before we start this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on the little notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can notice, but I got a new lens, so the quality is about to be nice, very nice. So it's currently 12 a.m. and I was like, you know, I was gonna film this video tomorrow morning, but I was like, I'm not tired, so why not film it now? So today I got my eyebrows done, and she accidentally cut me. Anyways, what you guys have been waiting for, let's just get into the tutorial. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. You know, I always do them off camera. They just take way too long. To prime my eyes, I'm just going to use some concealer. And the concealer I'm going to use is just the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I've been using this recently and it is so good. Like it replaced my Tarte Shape Tape. So let me go ahead and apply that to my eyes. Okay, so now that I went ahead and primed my eyelids, now it's time to move on to the eyes. I'm so excited. I'm like really hot right now. I don't know why. So right here I have the Dose of Colors package. So let's go ahead and open her up. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It has a Dose of Color wrapping paper with her little leaf sticker, and then right here is a little note. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the wrapping paper. So the first thing that's inside here are these super cute stickers. You guys, look at these stickers. How adorable are they? And it also has her little card with her bonfire selfies, and on the back it just says ILUVSARAHII X Dose of Colors with her leaves and the pink background. So the first product that I purchased is her eyeshadow palette, and along with a highlight and a lipstick, which we will go to later. Before I open it up, let me show you guys the packaging. So it basically has like a nude peachy, oh my god, my nails kind of like match this whole aesthetic. And then it has like little leaves if you move it like this. I don't even know how to explain it, but you guys can see. You guys can see. And then on the back, it has all the details of the palette, all the information when it expires, all the ingredients, all of that shenanigans. You guys, I'm in love with the packaging. So again, the packaging looks like so, with the peachy nude background with the leaves, and all the information that was on the actual card box is on the palette itself. And then when you open it up, oh my god, look at that, you guys. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Oh my god. So this palette comes with 6 shades, and 2 of them are matte and the rest are bomb poppin' colors. This palette retails for $35, which I think isn't bad because, you guys, Dose of Colors eyeshadows are bomb. I like tried the Desi X Katie collection, and oh my gosh, it's like my go-to palette, especially with like, what's it called? Not like extravagant, but like if you want eyeshadows to really pop and you want that lid color, Dose of Colors is the way to go. So all the names of the shades are on the back of the palette. I do wish that it was in the front, but it's okay. I'll deal. So she said it's in the same way that it's on here. Finders? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to take my Morphe M441 blending brush and take the shade Finders Keepers. It's like a peachy pink shade, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And I'm just going to pat it on. Yeah, so definitely start patting. And then in circular, oof, got way too much. And you really want to just take your time blending. If you want that bomb blend, girl, you gotta blend away. I'm going to take this shade right here, and to do so I'm going to be using my Morphe M514 brush, and again focus that on my outer corner but bringing it into the crease. Can I just say, look how pigmented these colors are. They look so good. I'm still blending, so, but like, oh my god, they look so good. Alright, so now for the lid color, I'm going bold. I'm going to take this gorgeous teal shade right here, which is Balma, and that is going to go all over the lid. Yes, girl, we're going there. We're going bold. I saw her like use her finger, but I saw people using a brush, but I feel like the most payoff is going to be on a, like, your finger. So I think I'm going to do both. I'm going to start off with my finger though, and then if I need to, then I'll go with the brush. So yes, I'm going to take this gorgeous shade using my finger. Oh my god. Okay, so I learned if you're gonna apply it with the brush to pat it, don't rub, because I feel like it kills the whole point. But yeah, so if you're gonna use a brush, make sure you pat it, and I highly recommend to use your finger first, because look how bomb that looks. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back in with the burgundy shade just to darken it up a little more. I feel like I want to add some of that black, because you guys, look how gorgeous that black is. Oh. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm going in. All right, so using that same Morphe 514 brush, I'm gonna take, what's the name of that one? Loungy. I'm gonna take a Loungy and apply a little bit of that on the outer corner. Okay, so the glitter, the shimmer shades for sure have some fallout, but that's normal. So I'm just taking this Luxie 518 powder brush. I shouldn't have done that. Hold on. Don't do that. Alright, you guys, honestly, this palette is a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Look at this. I'm loving it so much, you guys. Like, this color combination is giving me mermaid vibes. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and put on some lashes, and these are the Violet Voss. Let me check that actually. These are the Violet Voss Sexy and I Know It lashes. And you guys, I am so in love and impressed with this eye look. So now that the eyes are partially done, I say partially because we still have to smoke it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face, and we're just gonna like quickly go through it until we get to the highlight. So to prime my face, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, and just apply that with my fingers. So now for foundation, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the shade Natural Beige. To apply it, I'm using a beauty blender. Now for concealer, I promise this is not sponsored. I wish. Too Faced, send your girl some products. Oh my god. To conceal, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I'm just going to apply that like so. So now to set my face, of course, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Again, just use my beauty blender to set it all. So now to give this face some warmth, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola Bronzer to bronze up and contour the face. And to do that, I'm using my Morphe, I think R14. Oh my gosh, it's rubbing off. I'm going to be using my Morphe R14 brush to bronze up the face. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe M527 brush, which is more of like a fluffier brush, and just use that all over to bronze everything. Alright, so now for some blush, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia blush kit in Radiant. I'm going to be taking these two shades right here, using my Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush. And then to clean up the contour a little bit, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier powder and go in with my beauty blender. So while we let that sit before we go in with the highlight, I'm gonna go back into my eyes and take the burgundy shade along with this peachy shade to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm just going to be using this pencil brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm not too sure the number because it rubbed off, but it's just a pencil brush. And yeah, I'm gonna use that to smoke out my lower lash line. So what I'm gonna do is like pretty much blend it with this line right here, dragging it down. And then to darken it up a little more, I'm going to go in with the black eyeliner. And this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Black Eyeliner Pencil. That literally just glides on, oh my god. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush and smoke it out some more. Let me go ahead and wipe away this powder. Where's my brush? Here it is. I'm using my e.l.f. complexion brush. So now that I went ahead and smoked out my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Alright, so for my inner corner, wow. Hold on. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I thought this one was Poquito Mas and this one's Wanderlust? I don't know, but I thought it goes like, I could have sworn this one was Poquito Mas, but the name is on this side. So I'm so confused. Well, damn, I said it wrong the whole time. I'm gonna take this shade right here and highlight my inner corner. I'm sorry, I don't know, I think, look, see, look, right here it says, hold on, right here it says Poquito Mas, and then when you turn it around, it's the red shade. But I could have sworn she said this was Poquito Mas. I don't know. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. But I'm going to use that shimmer shade right there to highlight my inner corner. But I'm also going to bring it up into the shadow right here. So now for highlight, I am going to use Soulmate. And you guys, I'm so excited because her highlight looked super bomb in her videos. And again, the package looks just like this, has all the ingredients and all the info in the back, and then when you open it up, it looks like this. Let me take that clear sheet off, hold on. So she did say that it's going to look super dark in person, and it's true. When I first saw this, I was like, ooh, I don't know if that's gonna look good on my skin, I haven't swatched it or anything, so let's put it to the test. Oh yeah, so it is definitely lighter than what it looks like in the pan. Look, as you can tell back here, it looks super dark. And then right here, it's super light. So to apply, I'm going to be using my Morphe M510 brush. And let's just go in. Ooh, girl. So I'm using two brushes. When I do highlight, I like to use two. This is the Morphe 310 and the Morphe M510. Like I said, so I like to go in with this one and then just right on top, like so. And then put some on my nose. Not too, oh, okay. I'm gonna say not too much, but oh my God, it's so good. Ooh, girl. All right, lastly for the lips, I am using the shade Peachy. I love the packaging. It's super sleek, super nice. My camera is about to die. Oh my God, I'm so mad. But I'm going to line my lips using my Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with Peachy and put that right on top. Oh, girl. Okay. So now, to set my entire face, I'm going to be using the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look, and honestly, I am so obsessed. I love the eyes. I'm just, oh my gosh. Dose of Colors did it again with the collab. They did a great collab with Desi X Katy, and now this one is another hit for me. Honestly, I want to go and pick up some more from the collection. The liquid lipsticks are bomb, and I want to go get more, so maybe I will go get some at Ulta, maybe. But again, I am so proud, so impressed of this collab. So great job to Dose of Colors and ILUVSARAHII, Karen. It was amazing. I am in love. 10 out of 10, highly recommend this collab. It is so good. The eyeshadows, super pigmented. The lip, you guys can see the lip. And this highlight, girl, great. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so fun to film. I love trying out new products, especially when they are a hit. So yeah, I am highly impressed, and I really love how this look came out, you guys. I love it. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I end it, I just want to say don't forget to go and enter my giveaways. They're still going. There's 5 of them. So head over to my Instagram, which I'll have right here. On my Instagram, it has all the details, so head over there. You do not want to miss this giveaway, guys. I promise you. Well, anyways, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Also, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that little notification bell down below so you get notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
We dance.